question was thickness.
Yeah, no, I'm going to get...
You read the question and I'm going to do the answer.
Yeah. Okay, great. Hey everyone, we are here today to tell you about the cutting board survey results that 10,000 of you answered.
Pretty amazing. So we're going to report back on the details that are most important to you. Do you want to start off?
Yeah, and it turns out that 70% of you said, and I'm talking about 70% of 10,000 people, said material, I'm looking for high quality wood all the way over size, heft, cost, grip, etc. So you guys care about quality, and we are with you on that. While a lot of people did like the idea of a thick board, very few people wanted a super thin board. You wanted something that was just right, so it was versatile.
Shape. There was really no debate here. Over 80% of you wanted a rectangular board. So, done. We hear you. And then weight, another kind of Goldilocks answer. Just right in the middle.
And then also, a whole big bunch of you, more than 5,000 of you, gave us extra details, and so we wanted to read some of our favorite extra details from you.
Yeah, this first one is from Luke, and he had a design recommendation. He said, channel 50s modern Scandinavian design. Simple, beautiful, and useful. Noted.
Diane said, it's got to be big enough so that you can mince an onion without the pieces falling off. Now that is an idea we can get behind.
Absolutely.
Because we hate when that happens too. The next part, things got a little shaky with Diane. She said, I have a whale-shaped board, which actually we do like the idea of, but we just feel like it's maybe not as universal as what we're looking for the larger group. But she did say that the tail makes it easy to grab and the body is big enough to do some chopping.
So cute and practical.
Yes.
Sorry, probably no whales this time around.
But maybe next time.
The last comment we're sharing is from Ethan, who said, a notch around the entire perimeter to catch drippings when carving meat, please. This was something that actually came up a lot. A lot of you were interested in that notch or that channel, and it wasn't in our initial set of questions, but it's made its way into the final design.
Yes, and speaking of the final design, the prototypes are underway, and we're going to have them here soon, and we're going to be sending out a couple of them to some of those who answered the survey to try them out. We're also going to be trying them in-house right here in the kitchen, and we'll be reporting back about that. See you soon.
Stay tuned.